Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on the channel. In this video I will explain what I would do if I had a gun to my head and I needed to make 10k a month in profit in 90 days to survive. A lot of people have asked me this lately as a funny question, like, Jasper, what would you do if I put a gun to your head and you needed to make 10k in profit in the 90 days? Well, I would tell them I would still do dropshipping. Yes, I would still do it. But a lot of people tell me then, okay, but how would you manage to get to 10k profit in 90 days? Because this is a short time frame and it's a lot of money. And I talked to them how I would do it. But instead of talking to them, I would love to show you guys how I would do it. So this is what the video is all about. If I needed to start over from scratch without zero of my followers, without zero of my team members, etc., what would I do and what steps would I take to get to the 10k profit mark? Well, I will show you in my laptop because I have it all mapped out. So we're here in my laptop, and as you guys can see, how to make 10k profit in 90 days with Shopify dropshipping. Well, everybody knows what Shopify dropshipping is, so I don't want to talk about it because my channel is full about the dropshipping model. I have some basic steps that we need to take to make this a success. So the first step that I would do is I would find a product from a competitor, and I would bring this product to the European market. I would create native ads and a website, like let's say German ads, German website, and I would run traffic and make sales. Basic steps to make a successful dropshipping store, right? But why should I take a product from outside Europe to the EU market? I'm a big fan of the European market, but why? Well, two things, and it's explained in these two images. First of all, it's competition. It's very competitive in the US market. It's very competitive. A lot of people are pushing the same blocks with a lot of resistance, but I would love to push a ball with less resistance. So that's what I do. I choose the market in the European. I would take a product of the US market and bring it to the European market. And as you guys can see, it's by the CPM. CPM means cost per mil. So what are you paying Facebook for 1,000 impressions? As you guys can see, the average CPM by country is for the United States almost 20. And as you guys can see, if we take the European market, which is mostly here, it's half of it, like 10 euros. So this is like $10, so you get 50% discount on the advertising side. This is what makes European market a great market to start with. But how do you start? Well, we need three basic things, of course. We need, of course, a good product, high margins, that's strong, with less refunds, with less chargebacks, etc., etc. Just a good product. I will teach you guys what a good product is. Then we need, of course, good ads, good creatives, good Facebook images, Facebook videos, etc. And of course, we need a high converting landing page. These three things, if these three things are in order, every dropshipping store will work. Like every dropshipping store will work. So I explained it in this model about the US market. I was just doing some product research and I found this product. It's a barefoot shoe. It's a very good product. It's in big trend right now, barefoot shoes. A lot of people don't want to walk with like customized shoes and everything. No, they want to be close to the ground. These are in a big trend. So I found some advertisements. When I just searched for barefoot shoes, I found these ads. As you guys can see, I still have them here. Barefoot shoe, hike foot. Then you see all these crazy advertisements. These are amazing. They look very, very good. They are all active right now, so they're all running these type of advertisements to the same product that I showed you guys. So they have a very good advertisement. Then of course they have a good high converting landing page. Look how clean it is. So I can show you some of the landing pages. Here is the landing pages as an advertorial with 7 or 8 steps that you need to take. Well, we want to see the converting page, and as you guys can see, here is the page to the collection and here is the page of the product, what I showed you here as well. Here you see it, the product from Hike Food. So what they have done, they have created a beautiful funnel in the US market, but they also know it's a very competitive market. So they have also reached the EU market and they went to the Dutch market, the Netherlands. So they took the same product, a good product, with the same type of advertisements, as you guys can see. They only branded it a little bit differently, and they made the same landing page. Here you guys can see they made the same page. And when I was searching for barefoot shoe, it's in Dutch schoen, I found multiple stores selling the same product, as you guys can see. Same product that people are selling in the Dutch market as well, because they have found a big US product in the US market and they were like, hey, we can sell this as well. So this is how you take a big good product in a big market like the US to the Dutch market and just make a very good converting landing page, good converting advertisements, and you will print money. You will print money. It's crazy. So this is how they took a US product to the Dutch market, and believe me or not, they are active in Sweden, they are active in Norway, they are active in Germany. A lot of people are selling now the same product because they have seen this competitor killing it in the US market. And of course, in the US market, there are multiple competitors as well. So they need to differentiate them with the advertorials, the ads that they create. That's how they differentiate it. So this is what I would do, 10K in profit in 90 days. But to make it even more challenging for myself, I will do this soon. On the 1st of May, I want to start a new challenge where I want to challenge myself to make 10K in profit in 90 days. That's what I'm gonna do. And you guys can join this challenge live as well. I'm gonna record everything and I'm gonna do it all live over and over and over again. So I'm gonna show you how I find the product, how I build the store, how I make the ads, and how I will run the ads, and how I do the fulfillment, how I find my team members, how I do the customer support, just everything till I get to the 10K profit mark in 90 days. Why do we do this? In the 2021 and 2022, I already did this in the Dutch market as well. I made a challenge for myself and some people joined that challenge. I will show you guys how it looked like. We had this Discord, and it's called the Flame Challenge, where I just announced everything that I was doing. So here you can see all the Zoom links that I was doing, like that the people could join instantly. So people could join the Zoom link and we started just running some ads, building the products, etc., etc. But as you guys can see, a lot of results came in as well, because a lot of people can copy and paste my whole strategy and they can just copy my exact same product as well. So as you guys can see, a lot of people are telling like, hey, first sale, first sale, first sale. A lot of people got the first sale. Then some people got even the first 1K mark. So after 2.5 weeks here, he says it's the first 1K day. And we had a lot of results. Here someone was scaling as well, 4 cards, 5 checking out, 2 people bought. As you guys can see, a lot of people were killing it. Here is someone that made the first 10K in the first month. So that was amazing, 10K in the first month, that's very, very good. And here was someone making 30K in Denmark and 78K in Sweden, that's crazy, and 100K a month. And someone made here as well the first 1K day in the Netherlands, first 2K day. Well, as you guys can see, a lot of people started to copying my whole strategy, what I was doing. My whole strategy, my whole product, my funnels, my website. They were able to copy me because they joined the challenge. And I'm gonna do this challenge again on the 1st of May. I'm not launched yet, so if you want to get ahead and you want to put yourself on the wait list, in the link in the description below, I have put a type form where you can just join on the waitlist. If you're on the waitlist, you will join for the cheapest price as possible. So that's no problem. It's $99 for 1 month, $99 per month just for the challenge. That's crazy, right? It's very, very cheap. And if I don't make it to the 10K profit mark, I will refund everyone. So I will challenge myself. I will build a store that makes me 10K in profit. And if I don't make it, you guys will all get your money back. So this is like risk-free. So that's it, guys. If you want to join this challenge, please click on the link in the description. It's a type form. Just put in your details. You will get an email how to join it when we are live. So that's it for this video. I hope to see you in the next one. Peace.